Fatima, whatever you told me about Vada community by BT Properties, I really fall in love with it. Can you tell the unique points of the same to my clients who are watching the video?
Of course, it will be my pleasure. So Vada is a master plan community by BT Properties located in the heart of Dubai South and just 7 minutes away from the Al Maktoum International Airport. This is one of the biggest USP of the project. In Vada, we have different clusters. Vada itself is a 14 million square feet community in which 40% of the community is just designated for the open green spaces, lagoons and canals. In Vada, we have apartments, townhouses, villas, commercial spaces and you name it and we have it. We have around 40 plus world-class amenities in this community as well.
So, what are the unique points for the townhouses and villas?
Well, there are a lot of unique points. Let me summarize it for you. In the townhouses and villas, we are the best in terms of the layouts. We have closed kitchens. Every bedroom has ensuite attached bath, and we have heighted ceilings, open kitchen, closed kitchen, and also with maids and without maids units.
And the thing which everyone wants to know is the prices and the payment plan. Can you tell me about that?
Of course, the prices and the payment plan are the best part of this community because we are starting from 1100 per square feet, goes up to 1300 per square feet, which is really hard to find in Dubai South. Regarding the payment plan, it's a 70-30 payment plan, 70% during construction and 30% post handover, which is really flexible for their clients.
Fatima gave you all the details about the first phase and she missed out one more thing. The phase 1 was having so much of demand that it got sold out. Now they are preparing for the launch of phase 2. And if you want every detail about that, get in touch with me today before that gets sold out as well.